हेलो दोस्तों। तो चलते हैं अपनी नई वीडियो की तरफ, जो कि है एमएनपी वाला सेक्शन है सीएम का। तो देखते हैं किस तरह क्वेश्चन इस पर डिजाइन हो सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज एमएनपी स्टैंड फॉर द कंटेस्ट ऑफ मोबाइल टेलीकम्युनिकेशन। तो मोबाइल नंबर पोर्टेबिलिटी, बी आंसर राइट हो जाएगा। विच एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एमपी इन्वॉल्व्स प्रोविजनिंग of port in, deprovisioning of port out subscriber। तो क्या है ये कॉमर्शियल। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पज ऑफ एमएनपी? टू फैसिलिटेट easier switching between mobile service provider while retaining the same number। What the donor operator refer to the MNP terminology? To operator from the whose networks the subscriber is pointing out। What is the role of recipient operator in MNP? To provide mobile service to the subscriber after porting। Which of the following note a valid status for a mobile number in the context of MNP? तो migrated number। What is the purpose of location routing number LRN in MNP? So to facilitate call routing based on the ported number location। How many LRNs has Bsnl has been allotted in total? So these are 42। What does MCHA stand in the context of MNP? तो मोबाइल क्लियरिंग हाउस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर। What is the purpose of local service management system LSMS in MNP? To support the technical implementation of MNP। How long is the unique porting code UPC valid in most of the service area? So these are the 15 days। What happens if subscriber CLI does not match the 10-digit mobile number during UPC allocation? So the subscriber porting request is rejected। What is the primary responsibility of the recipient operator during the porting process? To disconnect the subscriber services from the donor operator। How is the porting charge paid by the subscriber? Cash payment at the operator office। What action can be subscriber take within 24 hours for making a porting request? Withdraw the porting request। What is the significance of mobile clearing house administration MCHA in MNP? So it coordinates between donor and recipient operator। What is the purpose of the NPDB National Number Portability Database in MNP implementation? To track porting request and statuses। Which network elements need to be upgraded to support MNP implementation? So multiple elements including HLR, MSC, IN, etc। What impact does MNP implementers have on call handling capacity? It decreases call handling capacity by 10 to 15%। Who bear the cost of the network upgrades required for MNP implementation? So recipient operator। How are mobile terminated call billed after MNP implementation? based on the location routing number, LRN. Which of the following note a component of MNP function diagram? Try. How is the porting data and time communicated to the subscriber? Through an SMS from the recipient operator. What is the purpose of LPDB? To track the movement of subscriber between operator. What is the system responsible for the call routing in MNP? SSTP. How does MNP affect content service provider? So it requires changes to their system to accommodate ported number. What is the primary purpose of billing and customer care system in MNP? So to manage subscriber billing and charging. Who is responsible for the updating all the network elements to support MNP implementation? Respective service provider. How does MNP impact the subscriber calling billing cycle? It's remain unchanged. What happens if the subscriber withdraw their porting request within 24 hours? They are charged a penalty fee. If regulatory authority oversees mobile number portability in India, so there will be try. What is the purpose of unique porting code UPC in MNP? To facilitate the porting process. How long does a subscriber have to wait before making a new porting request? 90 days. Who is responsible for the issuing the UPC to the subscriber? So this is a donor. What is the significance of per port transaction charge mentioned in MNP implementation? It is a free charge to the recipient operator for processing of operating request. In which region is the validity of unique porting code UPC longer than usual? So Jammu and Kashmir, Assam and Northeast license areas. How is the UPC requested by the subscriber? Through an SMS specified short code. What is the role of Chandigarh and Kolkata MNP gateway mentioned in the documents? To handle MNP transaction for a specific region. What action does a donor operator take upon the receiving a porting request from the MCHA? To disconnection of the subscriber services. How does MNP affect lawful interception capabilities? It has no impact on interception capabilities. 41 देखते हैं. What is the primary purpose of MNP database? To track porting request statuses nationwide. Which entity is responsible for managing LPDB? Mobile Clearing House Administration, MCHA. How does MNP impact content service provider systems? सी आंसर हो जाएगा इसका. What is the primary responsibility of the recipient operator during the porting process? Repeated question है ये भी. How does MNP affect the billing and charging process for the mobile terminate calls? B आंसर हो जाएगा. It's request charge based on the location routing number. What happens if the subscriber withdraw their porting request after 24 hour, तो they are charge a penalty fee. How does MNP affect the handling of off-net and on-net calls? It varies depending on subscriber location. What is the primary function of the mobile clearing house in MNP? ये भी रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है. To facilitate communication between operators. Who bear the cost of the porting charge paid by the subscriber? So, recipient. How does MNP impact the subscriber mobile number? So, it's retain the mobile number while charging the operator. तो इसी के साथ ये वीडियो यहीं पे समाप्त होती है. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा चैनल को, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो.